he takes Yellow Cab. Amy C. Zadlow is with me from Yellow Cab, and I want to tell you something about Yellow Cab. They're there for people who drink. I mean, really, you get a lot of business on Fridays and Saturdays.
We do. We have a daytime economy, which is a lot of airport and business, medical trips.
Normal stuff.
Normal stuff. And then we also have, the nighttime economy, which is add alcohol and you need Yellow Cab. So
and don't you guys try to cruise around the areas where people are downtown and famous spots so they don't have to wait too long?
We do. We have several taxi stands, and also a lot of the the bars and restaurants are set up as R21s, which are frequented by the drivers and get really, quick, easy service.
And some of the people there, the hosts and stuff, know who to call and how to call.
Absolutely. There's many ways to book. So.
Yes. Now, that's Yellow Cab, of course. And what a lot of people don't understand is that Yellow Cab, or the company that owns Yellow, has some other services available. And we use ExecuCar for as well. And by the way, they do have specialty cabs like this pink one. And then you have that video cab. You have a lot of cool cabs, by the way. And these drivers do this all themselves, don't they?
They do. We have the best fleet of drivers. We have some drivers that have driven with us for 50 years.
Yeah,
and it's just incredible.
And so they decided they want a pink one, or you have that one guy with the video, and you have other people. And it's really cool. Now, let's talk about ExecuCar, because that's a service we've used, and people don't realize that you can get a limo. And I don't mean necessarily a stretch limo. You don't have the stretches, right?
No, we have SUVs.
ExecuCars.
Yep. We have the sedan SUVs, and they start at $65 from the downtown area, and it's reliable.
And you have town cars, right?
Town cars, that's what it is. Sedans.
And that's ExecuCar. So when you call a Yellow Cab, you can also call. Can you get ExecuCar through the Yellow Cab number, or do you have to call?
It's a separate number.
It's a separate number. So you have ExecuCar, which is something a lot of people don't realize. Another thing they have, I want to show you, is, of course, your Super Shuttle service. What I did not realize, I thought Super Shuttles, you had to pick up at a hotel or a stop.
No, we do door-to-door service.
So door-to-door to the airport?
Absolutely.
Okay, so we share rides. You pick me up and then pick someone else up. And so what do? I tell you what time the flight is, and you get me there on time?
Absolutely. We back it out from whatever your flight time is. We get you there 90 minutes to 2 hours in advance of your flight and route it with people in the same area going the same direction about the same time.
So even if there are other people you're picking up, you assure me I'm going to get to my destination or to the airport on time.
That's right.
That's a very cool. And you know what? This is cheaper than parking.
Very cheap.
I mean,
yes, it's very
if you think
inexpensive.
about it. So when you think of Yellow Cab, of course, call a cab. Don't drink. Call a cab. I mean, you can drink. Don't drink and drive. Call a cab. Call ExecuCar for if you want to take an ExecuCar, or you can, of course, take Super Shuttle. Now, text a cab. What's that all about? You can text for a cab?
Absolutely. You just text your pickup address with the zip code to 303-777-2001, and
It's 771? Is that the number?
777.
That's right. It's 77. Because all of your numbers are 777. So I just saw the misprint there. So it's 303-777-2001.
Yes.
777-2001. So if you text your address, you will get it. And then what's this? A QR code. And how do you use this?
Any smartphone, you download a QR code reader, and the one on the left, which is the Yellow Cab, it will download the text-to-cab information right into your phone.
Oh, very cool.
So once you click on it, you enter the address, and it'll send you a confirmation text within seconds. And on the right, that will direct you. That's a Microsoft tag that will direct you right to our Yellow Cab website.
And they can go to your website for this. What is your website?
It's www.denveryellowcab.com.
DenverYellowcab.com. DenverYellowcab.com. Here's the number, of course. All sevens, 303-777-7777. That's for a Yellow Cab. If you want an ExecuCar or that Super Shuttle service I talked about, which is really cool, 303-669-4953. 303-669-4953. Yellow Cab, ExecuCar, and Super Shuttle. Our attorneys will be there for the next